Good morning, my name is Dekwa. I am the news reporter of Intwari School. I am with the director of the school to ask him few questions about the day of today. Hello, headmaster.
Hello, news reporter. How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good.
I'm going to ask you a few questions about the day of today.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Patriotism is one character of heroes. Is there any other character that you know?
Yes, of course. Apart from patriotism, there is what we can call bravery. There is a patriotism like just being courage and just being ignored. As we always train our kids to become ignored, is a part of just heroism.
Yes. How can children like us start doing heroism actions?
There are many characteristics of heroes that can be implemented or that every child can have, just like being exemplary, just being brave, things like that.
Yes. Who is your role model among Rwandan heroes?
The Rwandan heroes, we have many, or they did well. But the role model I always want to be like him is Major General Gisabiyema Fred.
Yes. Can anyone be called a hero when he or she is still alive?
It is not very easy somebody to be called a hero when he or she is still alive. But mostly the heroes, they are given that title when they are dead.
Achieving success always in school. Is it heroism did at school level?
Come again, please.
Achieving success always in school. Is it heroism did or action at school level?
Of course, yes. Because we have some kids who are hard worker. When they work hard, they perform, then they achieve their goals. And every hero must have the goals. So it is good.
Which advice can you give to students to become heroes?
Just the advice I can give it to my children where who I'm heading to. I may encourage them just to be working hard, working on a target, helping each other. Even in being exemplary, it is the very good example as just being a role model like that.
Thank you.
Thank you, news reporter.